Alright folks, it's Fook again, and I'm getting ready to make dinner. I'll be cooking outside, but I prepped everything inside. Today I'm going to make Korean beef burritos. So what I have here is a quick pickle. It's just white onions, serrano peppers sliced in rice vinegar, and a bit of sugar. So this has been sitting for about 10 minutes, and by the time I'm done, it'll be pickling for about 15 minutes. It doesn't need to be very long to give it that tang, but that'll be the garnish. I also have cilantro that's chopped that's going to go on top of the burrito. And then it's a skirt steak sliced up with some green onions and garlic. And I'm going to fry that in a little bit of sesame oil. This is a non-stick pan, so I don't need a lot of oil. And for the sauce, it's a base of teriyaki and a sweet and spicy chili paste, Korean chili paste. Okay, so that's what's going to go into it. Here's my chili paste. So you can buy this in any Asian grocery store, and they call it hot pepper paste. That's fermented. So it does have sugar in it, so there's a bit of sweetness to it, but there's a spiciness too that makes it go very well with Korean food. All right, I'm gonna head outside and start cooking. All right, the cooking is actually gonna go very fast. I have it on medium-high heat, so 7 out of 10. And I'm going to let my pan heat up here. And first thing I'm going to throw in would be the beef. Let that cook. Now I can already smell the sesame oil. Now once the beef is about done, and it's beef, so you don't have to do you don't have to cook it all the way through. It could be medium rare. I'll be back when I begin to add in all the other stuff. I'll be right back. All right, the beef is pretty much cooked. So now I'm going to add my garlic. Get that fragrant. Oh, I can smell that garlic with the sesame seed oil. Scallions. A lot of scallions here, but that's what makes it good. And now I'm going to reduce my heat to low and let this cook down a bit. That's amazing. Wish you could smell that. And then I'm going to add in my sauce. Get all of that goodness in there. That salty, sweet. Teriyaki with the fermented pepper paste. Get that going all in there. Make sure that it's, I don't know if you can see that red, thoroughly mixed. All right, that's it. Go plate this sucker. Alright, so there we go. I'm plating it. Get my burrito filling in. And I'm thinking maybe I should have added some filler because it's kind of small. But I've already had a taste and I can tell you it's delicious. Then we take our quick pickles. So that's the scallions and the serranos. I'm sorry, the onions and the serranos. They'll help balance out the heat. And then finally, cilantro. Fresh cilantro. And there you go. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy, guys. See ya.